Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5B. Exercise is about discount, commission and different type of taxes. So for better understanding of exercise, it's really important to integrate your lesson with the previous lessons, and you should have the good command on the previous lessons for better understanding of the lesson. Let's move to question number 8, and as the questions are long, so I've written the questions in short form. So please you have to read the question carefully from your own book. So the question says an air conditioner is sold for $700 after the discount of 12.5%. Okay, and then the first requirement of the question is find the mark price of the air conditioner. And the second part says if a 10% discount is given on the mark price of the air conditioner before it's sold at a further discount of 2.5%, would the sale price still be $700? We have to show our working clearly. So let's move to the first part of the question. As the question says that the air conditioner is sold, it means this is the sale price given in the question on the discount of 12.5%. So first of all, we have to find the mark price. So let's assume that the mark price be $X. Let the mark price equals to price equals to $X. Now we know the formula for the discount is always involve and write the formulas in your working. Discount equals to mark price minus sale price, and now we're not given with mark price. So discount is given. Discount is 12.5% on mark price. So amount of discount will become 12.5x upon 100 equals to mark price is x minus 700. And now what I have to do in order to get value of x, I have to shift this x to other side. Upon 100 minus x equals to minus 700. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 100 and I will left with 12.5x minus x equals to minus, I'm taking the LCM, so I have to write 100x, I have to be careful, minus 700. And now when I'm taking away 12.5 from 100 minus 12.5, and this will give me minus 87.5 because 100 is big, minus 87.5x, and shift this 100 to other side, minus 700 multiplied by 100. The minus sign can go with this minus sign, and I will left with x equals to 700 multiplied by 100 upon 87.5, and now this will become 70,000. So what I have to do, I have to divide 70,000 by 87.5 and it will become 800. That means that x, which is the mark price, is 800. So mark price equals to $800. I hope you are clear that how we are calculating the mark price of this air conditioner. Okay, very easy questions. You can get the benefit in the sales, and you can get the different objects at discount and the sales. Now let's move to the second part of the question, and the second part of the question is if a 10% discount is given on the mark price of air conditioner before it's sold at the further discount of 2.5%, would the sale price remain 700? We have to decide. Okay, now let me draw the lines so that there has to be no confusion in the working. Now the next part says a 10% discount is given. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to find that when a 10% discount is given to us, then how much amount and what will be the sale price in that case. So 10% discount equals to discount, or amount of discount equals to UNT equals to 10% of 800, and that is 10 over 100 multiplied by 800 means 80. When a 10% discount is given to us, it means 80 rupees discount is given to us. Then the sale price will become, sale price in that case will become 800 minus 80, and that will give me 0, and here I will left with 10 minus 8 is 2, and this is 720. So the sale price after a 10% discount will become 720. Now what happened, that another discount is given to us, and which is 2.5%. Now the second discount is given to us, second discount. So first of all, we have to find that how much discount is given to us. 2.5% of 720, and now 2.5 upon 100 multiplied by 720, and this will give me, let me check the calculation, 2.5 multiplied by 720 upon 100, and this is $18. Now I have to find that when the second discount, which is $18, is given to us, what will be the sale price then? Sale price will be equal to 720 minus 18 minus 720, and that will give me 702. Our previous sale price was $700, but in this case the sale price is 702. So we have to decide whether the sale price still is 700 or not. No, the sale price is not 700. Sale price is not $700. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book. Question 9 says that Farhan orders a plate of seafood rice at a restaurant which offers 25% discount. The mark price of the seafood rice is $9.50. Given that there is the service charges of 10% and GST is 7%, find the total amount of money he has to pay. Very interesting question and everyday life situation question. First of all, think about that. Suppose you are going to restaurant and you have to pay the bill. How you are going to pay the bill? And recall my previous lesson that what is the formula for the total amount payable. So let me write the formula first. Total amount payable equals to, so first of all we have to think about the mark price. Then on that mark price some discount is offered to us, so we have to use this minus sign, discount minus mark price minus discount, and after getting that discount, on the remaining amount, what we have to do, we have to pay the service charges and the GST as well. So the total amount that you have to pay will be now the sum of service charges and plus you have to pay the GST as well. I hope you are clear about the formula. Now let me see what is the mark price of that food. Mark price of the food which is given in the question is 9.5. Mark price is 9.5. Okay, I'll solve this question slowly because I have the experience that students find these questions difficult. Mark price, so that you can understand these questions well, is $9.50. Now percentage discount is given, so I have to find the discount. Discount equals to 25% of 9.50. And now let me hold the calculator and see what will be the amount coming for 25% of 9.50. 25 multiplied by 9.50 upon 100, and that gives me 2.375. 2.375, and which is approximately $2.38. So the amount of discount that we are getting, discount equals to 2.38. So here we have to understand that these $2.38 is the amount which is given as a discount to us. Now remaining amount that we have to pay, remaining bill that we have to pay, amount will be equal to 9.50 minus 2.38. 9.50 minus 2.38, and this gives me $7.12. Now here, now we have to understand that on these $7.12 we have to pay the service charges and the GST as well. Now formula for the service charges will be equal to, recall the formula that service charges are 10% of the mark price, 10% of mark price minus discount, Now we know that answer of mark price minus discount is 7.12, means 10% of 7.12, or 10 over 100 multiplied by 7.12, and what value I will be getting, 10 over 100 multiplied by 7.12 upon 100. This is 0.712 and dollars. And now what we have to do, this is the amount that we have to pay as the service charges, and then we have to pay the GST as well. GST, recall the formula for the GST, that GST will be equal to, which is given 7% of what? 7% of mark price minus discount, mark price minus discount plus service charges. Now what we have to do, we have to find the 7% of mark price minus discount, mark price minus discount. This factor has the answer 7.12, plus the service charges has the value 0.712. And now what we have to do, 7.12 plus 0.712, this will give me 7% of 7.832, and that will be equal to 7 over 100 multiplied by 7.832, and that will give me multiplied by 7 is 54.824 upon 100, and this is 0.5482 $0.5482, and this is the answer for GST. Now what we have to do, the total bill payable, okay, total payable amount, the total amount that he has to pay, total amount that we have to pay, he has to pay, or Farhan has to pay, will be equal to 7.12 plus 0.712 plus 0.5483, that is 7.12 plus 0.712 and plus 0.5482. And now in order to make the total bill, what I have to do, I have to add up 7.12 plus 0.712 plus 0.5482, and the total bill is 8.3802, or which is approximately $8.38. I hope you are clear about that how you are making the total bill. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to enjoy your New Year party and you have to go to some restaurant, but please take care of the SOPs of Corona as well, and you have to apply these all formulas there, okay, and find how you are finding the total bill. I hope now the calculation of the bill at the restaurant will really be easy for you. I hope you are enjoying my lessons. Please watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.